Parents are more and more becoming very, very savvy and knowledgeable about what rights they have under IDEA and other federal legislation and what the responsibilities of the school are. So with parent knowledge and parent advocacy comes the responsibility of the school to be fair with parents, but to let them know what their actual rights are.
You're entitled by law 10 days to consider your decision, to think about it, to talk to people if you would so choose. If you believe that this is a good situation and a good program for Kevin and want it to begin right away, you go ahead and waive your 10-day right to think about it. And then we can start it probably, within a couple of days after we get everything together? Okay?
It's very important for districts to understand the relationship that they have with the parents, and that there are very specific and certain legal requirements that the district has to abide by. The parents are always given a copy of their rights, and within that it's explained to them that if there is ever a time when the parents and the school district disagree and can't come to terms, they can bring in an impartial hearing officer from the state. If it goes past that and the parents, or the guardians I should say, still are not satisfied with the outcome of the hearing process, then it becomes an actual judicial proceeding where lawyers are involved, and that opens up a whole new set of legal ramifications and mandates that the district is required in terms of providing the onus of the data of why they're doing what they're doing.
This is just saying that you agree with the decision about the eligibilities, the LD and the ED. Basically, it's for the LD only. So if you agree, there's a box that says I agree, and if everybody could just sign their name, that would be great. I would highly appreciate that. In the meantime, yes, if you will sign that when it comes around. What this means now is at least yearly, we'll be getting together for what's called an annual review. It won't be as big of a meeting as this, more than likely. It'll probably involve Bill, the case manager, the speech and language, the social worker, whoever's really involved with Kevin. We'll sit down, we'll look at the goals, we'll assess where he is, and we'll adjust whatever's necessary for continued success. Okay? And then that's at least once a year. Again, you're entitled to have a meeting to talk about Kevin whenever you'd like.